Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be styling my son's hair inside of the living room and classroom. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be styling my son's hair today. His hair was previously washed and conditioned, and I just plaited it up in these little plaits. I'm going to be using Mrs. Jessie's multicultural curls to do that, and in my spray bottle I have water and extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to be using this little small naturals comb to comb through his hair. As I take some of the braids down, I'm going to just do a little finger detangle, but I'm not going to bore you with that. I'm just going to go ahead and time lapse everything else so you won't have to be sitting here through this whole process. Yeah, baby, don't be afraid. You just follow my way. Tonight we will fight together. Okay, you guys, as I took down each braid, I finger detangled, sprayed his hair with some water, added in the multicultural curls, and combed through and detangled each section. So I'm moving on to styling my son's hair. What I'm going to do is just make a part straight across, and my son is tender-headed, so I'm going to be taking my time doing this. And you guys, I kept in all of this footage because I wanted you guys to see everything that I was doing in case you have a little boy, because I know it's hard to try to find hairstyles for little boys that has long hair other than braids and a man bun. So I'm just going to do this cute little style. So like I said, right now I'm just parting this hair straight across. So now I'm going to be parting his hair on a slant to make like a little triangle shape, and I'm going to do that on each side of his head. I'm going to be using this Miss Jessie's Jelly Soft Curls to lay down his hair. I use all of Miss Jessie's products in my son's hair. It's very good. It works for him and it keeps his hair moisturized. I'm going to be using this edge brush to brush his hair in place. I don't use bristle brushes like hard brushes on his hair. Just these little soft edge brushes will do the trick for your toddler. So I'm going to be putting his hair into a ponytail. I use black rubber bands, but you guys, I dip the rubber bands in extra virgin olive oil, and then I'm going to be just making a braid. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, and then I'm just going to do a ponytail in the middle. You guys, if you see white particles in his hair is not dirty. I promise you, that's just from the leave-in conditioner and product that I put in his hair after I washed and conditioned it. You mamas who having a hard time getting your little one to sit still while you comb their hair, what I do for my son is I let him play and get all of that energy out first, and then I put on one of his favorite shows, give him a snack, and that's how I get him to sit still.
Yeah, baby, don't be afraid, you just follow my way. Tonight we will fight together.
And you guys, it may look like I'm being rough with his hair, but I'm really not. The clips are sped up, so it looks like I'm being rough, but I'm really not, you guys. I promise you, I'm not being rough with my child. Moving on to the back portion of his hair, I'm just going to make a part down the middle and put 2 ponytails on each side. I'm going to do the exact same thing for the lower back portion of his hair. Make a part down the middle and put 2 ponytails on each side. Stated in a previous clip, you guys, I kept all the footage in because I wanted you to see exactly what I was doing. And for those who do not know how to do hair, I kept the footage in for that exact reason. It's a lot of videos that do hair and they skip around and you just be like, wait, what did they do next? So that's why I made sure I kept all the footage in, you guys. Now I'm gonna braid each braid. If you do not know how to braid, you can also twist them. And then I'm going to connect that braid to the ponytail above, and I'm going to secure it with a rubber band. I'm going to go ahead and comb through each section, and then I'm going to braid those up, and then we're going to connect those braids to the ponytail at the top, and we're going to secure it with a rubber band as well. after we connect all the braids to the ponytail at the top, you're going to go ahead and I'm going to make a braid. Like I said, if you don't know how to braid, you can also twist them. And then I'm just going to twirl that braid around and we are going to be done. As you can see, my son was ready to get out of that chair, honey.
I'm overthinking everything about you.
So moving on to some cleaning, I am going to be starting off in the front room, tying up some toys because like I said, my son was playing. I let him play and go crazy before I started on his hair.
What things you like and what you don't, it's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work.
I'm going to be removing all the hair products off the couch and putting them away and then moving on to the play area.
I should probably ask you all my questions.
Nothing too bad in here. I just had to pick up all the dramatic play outfits and put them away, and the toys that I collected in the living room, I'm going to put those where they go. Give a big thumbs up for my baby helping. He is such a sweetheart, you guys. Oh, I just love me some LJ.
I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy.
So I'm going to go ahead and separate all the toys and put them in their correct bins. Get everything organized, cleared, and stored away.
I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? Will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me?
Thanks for watching my video, you guys. I hope this helped you in some way. I hope you guys have a blessed and productive week. Please give this video a big thumbs up and I will catch you in my next one.